Get ready for a tidal wave of inquiry and adventure with PCS Edventures Oceanic Exploration. This enrichment program gives learners a chance to discover physical and geological oceanic systems from the dry lands of your out-of-school program. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to implement immersive STEAM lessons in your learning environment with the density and temperature demonstration pulled up right from the depths of this exciting program. See for yourself how PCS Edventures instructor guides make leading learners through inquiry-based activities simple. Let's dive right in.
In this surface temperature lesson, learners will use latitude and longitude to plot the surface temperature of the ocean in small groups. Before getting started, have 1 bin of cold water, 1 empty bin, a pipette, 2 cylinders, and your electric kettle ready for the demonstration. Your easy-to-follow instructor's guide will lead you to discuss latitude and longitude by prompting you to ask, has anyone ever noticed the lines all over the globe? What do they mean? PCS Edventures scripted lessons make it simple for anyone to guide our inquiry-based lessons. Read the text directly or adapt it to fit your teaching style. Learners will then plot data points on their personal maps showing the ocean's temperature at lots of different places. Your instructor guide will prompt you to ask guiding questions analyzing data for patterns and to share other important information about marine life's connection to ocean temperatures. Now for the exciting demonstration. Heat some water in your hot pot and pour it into the empty bin. Put blue food coloring in the cold water and the red food coloring in the hot water. Stir with a pipette. Take your first cylinder. Put red hot water in first and then blue cold water. They will mix. Then do the reverse. Fill the other cylinder halfway with blue cold water. Using a pipette, gently place some red hot water on top of the cold water. They will mix a little at first, but if you keep going and do it gently enough, they should make 2 distinct layers. Pretty cool, right? Refer to your instructor's guide to lead learners through a discussion about the density of hot and cold water. Lastly, your instructor guide will help you and your learners tie it all together by connecting the demonstration back to the building blocks of ocean life. Your learners will certainly remember this exciting and easy-to-do demonstration, teaching them valuable information they'll need to know for the many hands-on oceanic exploration lessons to follow.